Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to close Lloyds Bank account in 2025 step by step. So, closing your Lloyds Bank account in 2025 involves several steps to ensure a smooth transition. So, here's a comprehensive guide to assist you. So, first step is you have to prepare your account for closure. So, before closing your account, ensure that all regular payments are transferred to your new bank account to avoid missed payments. And you have to inform employers, clients, or any other sources of income about your new banking details to prevent disruptions. And you have to also transfer the remaining funds. So move any remaining balance to your new account, keeping enough in the Lloyd's account to cover pending transactions. Now to close your bank account in Lloyd's, you have three methods. So by phone, so you have to contact Lloyd's Bank customer services. So you just have to visit their website, and then from here at the very bottom you can see this call us, and then you have to tap on that, and from here you can see all these different numbers of different concerns. So you just have to choose what your concern, and then you will see all these numbers right here. And in person, which is the method number 2, so you can visit the local Lloyds Bank branch to request account closure. In this way, you can really communicate with the staff about the closure of your bank account and the reason why you have to close your bank account, so that they can assist you with accuracy, since it's human to human. And for the third method is for business accounts. So you have to complete the account closure form available on the Lloyds Bank website and submit it via email or post. So you just have to open your Chrome or Safari and then search for closure of business account, Lloyds Bank account. And then you will see this form right here. And then you just really have to fill out everything that is asked about the closure of your account. And to finalize the closure, you just have to initiate the process and then request written confirmation on the account closure for your records. And then after that, just safely dispose of debit cards, checkbooks, or any related materials to prevent unauthorized use. So that's it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!